What's up, guys? And do the unboxing of my 2009 MacBook that I bought off of eBay. Let's see if it's any good. We're gonna upgrade it. So right here, I've got some RAM and I got an SSD to upgrade it. So let's crack this thing open. Alright, so if you can see, it's a lot of packing peanuts, man. Oh man. Well, shipping is free, and then how to return your item. 30-day refund. That's pretty sick. It's just more peanuts. More. Here, you can have one too. Ready. Oh my. So there it is. It's quite heavy. Now, it said it did not come with a charger. I do have a charger for it. I'm actually gonna set this down right here. Oh, I think I got it all. Okay. So let's get this for a little unboxing. I'm gonna need to deep clean this, kind of, try to get off everything I can. Trackpad still feels good, so let's give this a clean and I'll be back with you later. So let's power this thing on and see what it does, if it works. Okay, there's the light. Well, that's working. Website, and it says it's good. Well then, here we are. It has a password. If you can see that, that's a password right there. So I'm gonna go check the eBay listing. I have my actual other Mac actually right next to the camera here, so I'm gonna go check that out. So we're back. I am into the computer. I contacted the eBay seller and they said tried the password user, and so I tried it and it worked. And take a look. Now we're in macOS. Launchpad works. It's very slow, but it does work. So there was no extra software that I was hoping they would be on here. It's just the plain OS as it is. So I'm gonna do the upgrades, hopefully see how fast it will work. I'll do some speed tests now, film them, and then we're gonna compare them. Let's fix this MacBook. Let's go. Start by taking off the screws, bottom screws. That was hard. I screwed up the side right here. Fix that later. Okay. Wow. Looks pretty clean. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna start by taking out the hard drive and then the RAM. So here's my SAN disk. Okay. Okay, so hard drive is out, and time for the SSD. Here we go. I'll also move over this whole tab right here. Let's put this part back on. Now time for the RAM. Alright, so there you have it. So this is how you turn your old MacBook that you could have bought off of eBay and upgraded it. If you look at the price, this thing is a steal. I bought this thing for 75 bucks with free shipping on eBay, and then we added an SSD, 120 gig, that cost me around 25 bucks, and then on top of that, we upgraded the RAM, which I already owned, but let's say you would have bought it off of eBay or someplace, it probably would cost around 20 bucks. So if we add up all the prices, this thing costs 120 bucks. That is a steal on my end. A great computer. Yes, it does lack RAM. It lacks its good processor, but compared to something like a Chromebook, this is definitely an option that you should also be thinking about doing too. So, hope you guys like this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.